All right, now I'm on the bottom of page 531. Let's go ahead and get started. For 6, 7, and 8, you're doing the same thing. You're finding the mean absolute deviation. So I'm going to show you how to do it on number 6, and then you're going to be doing the same thing on 7 and 8, just with different set of numbers. So to find the mean absolute deviation, the first thing I need to do is find the mean of these numbers. So I got to add them up. 43 plus 46 plus 48 plus 40 plus 38. 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 8 is 25. 6, 10, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 215, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 215 divided by 5. 5 can't go into 2, but it can go into 20. It goes into 24 times. Bring my 5 down. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So 43 is my mean. Now I need to find out how far away each of these numbers is from my mean. So 43 is right on my mean. It's 0 away. 46 is 3 away from my mean. 48 is 5 away from my mean. 40 is 3 away. And 38 is 5 away. So now I add those numbers up. 0 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. So 5 and 5 is 10. 3 and 3 is 6, so 16. And then I take that 16 and divide it by how many numbers there are. Again, still 5. Goes in 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract gives me 1. Add a decimal. Add a 0. Bring it down. Bring my decimal straight up. 5 goes into 10 twice. So 3.2 is my final answer. That's the MAD, the mean absolute deviation. So you're going to follow the same steps for number 7 and number 8. Again, if you need to rewind the video to see what step to do next, feel free to. If you have a question, of course, you can raise your hand as well. All right, find the range and interquartile range for the data. First thing I want to do is put the number in order from least to greatest. So I have a 2, another 2, then a 3, and a 4, and then an 8. So the range, so I need 2 numbers. I need the range, and I need the interquartile range. So the range is just taking the largest number minus the smallest number. So 8 is the largest, 2 is the smallest. So the range is 6. Now for the interquartile range, I need to find the quartiles. So 3 would be the median. So this would be the lower half. This would be the upper half. So 2 is the lower quartile, and the upper quartile would be 4 plus 8, which is 12, divided by 2, which is 6. So then the lower quartile is 2, the upper quartile is 6, so 6 minus 2, and that gives us 4. All right, so you're going to do the same thing for 10 and 11. Again, you're finding the range. You're going to find the range, which is just the largest number minus the smallest number, and then you're going to find the interquartile range. So to do that, you need to find the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and then take the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, and then you'll have the interquartile range. So your answer is going to be 2 numbers. Same thing on number 11. You're going to have 2 numbers for your answer, the range and the interquartile range. All right, again, if you need additional help, you can rewind the video to double check the steps or raise your hand and I can help you out. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.